Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Facebook page to your Instagram page, and this is mostly used for business accounts. So let's just open my Facebook page and let's click on the three lines on the right under the sort of messenger button over here, and I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on the pages button right here, and you can see all the pages you manage, and I'm going to click on this Candylish page right here. And on the top, under the Candylish sort of text, there is, under the Candylish text, there are a lot of tabs. This is overview, ads, notifications, and if you just scroll to the left, I'm gonna choose the more tab right here, and I'm going to scroll down until I see edit page under page controls. And if I just scroll down again, I am going to click on the settings tab right here. And as you can see, there is an Instagram tab. I'm just going to press on that. And this is going to show up, connect to Instagram to get more features, to get additional features and reach more of your community. Connect your Facebook page to an Instagram account. Depending on their access to your Facebook page and Instagram account, people may help manage things on both, such as content, ads and insights, messages and comments, settings and permissions. You can review roles in Facebook page settings, and I am just going to press on the connect account button, and this will just show the confirmation, and you can allow access to Instagram messages in inbox, or you can turn that off, but I am going to turn that on, and I'm going to press the confirm button down here, and it is going to go to Instagram. And since my Instagram has been logged on, I'm just going to continue as Candylish account. Now my Instagram has been connected to my Facebook page. I'm just going to press OK. And as you can see, the Instagram has been connected. Okay, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!